Presentation on Utilized Nutrient Requirements Innovation on Smallholder Farms in the DPO Dairy Extension, Khon Province. The research team, Khanawit Patano, Naret Siri Navagun, Isaranan Koranam, Thomson Prompat, Thamrongsak Phonbamrung, and Pitapon Sommat. The project, Utilization of Nutrient Requirement Innovations to increase milk production, has applied the innovation on nutrient requirements of dairy cattle in Thailand 2020, or the Thai NRC, to streamline the dairy feeding management at the farm level and in the cooperative and milk collection center in the DPO dairy promotion areas, Khon Province, during 2024 to 2025. The objective is to improve productivity and quality as well as net income of dairy farms through the use of nutrient requirements innovation by applying the knowledge and innovation transfer approaches. Methodology. The pilot farms receive innovation in dairy feeding for a period of 6 months. This includes practicing on assessing nutrient requirements of dairy cows, evaluating chemical composition of feed ingredients, formulating dairy ration, adjusting feed quality to meet animal requirements, interpreting feed analysis, interpreting milk quality analysis, solving problems of milk yield and milk quality, evaluation effects of nutrients on milk productivity, cost, and net income of milk production were undertaken. Comparison performance of dairy cows between the initial and the end of the innovation demonstration were performed. Impacts of the innovation transfer on dairy production were evaluated, including nutrient composition of dairy rations, feed intake, average milk yield, milk quality, feed cost, analysis economic beneficiaries of the pilot farm. Result of application of nutrient requirement innovation to enhance milk productivity in Khon area summarized as follows. 1. The nutrient composition of dairy feed increased respectively, including the dry matter content, crude protein content, the nutrient, nutrient fiber, and the total digestible nutrients as shown in Table 1. 2. It was found that the pilot farms were able to adjust the feed quantity to meet animal demand and reduce feed wastage. As a result, the cows received sufficient nutrients with greater return and efficiency, including the reduced quantity of fresh matter, dry matter, and percent of dry matter of feed that given to the cows that reduce the feed wastage and feed costs. Number of milking cows per farm decreased by 8.2%, while average milk yield of the pilot farms increased by 13.99%, from 10.79 to 12.30 kg per cow per day.